Hey guys, Nathan here, and today we're gonna play Plaza Original. It's about train. So don't worry. Yep, and we're gonna end the game. We're gonna play here. Yes. Now we're joined here. Here comes the train. Okay. 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 When it moves, we're gonna sing along. Ready? Doors now closing. Making my way downtown with me. We're going to go to the train station. Oh yeah. Making my way downtown. That was fun to say. Making my way downtown. Okay. Well, look at this rock. Look at this. Oh, I have a. Oh, ooh la la, I have a kitty ring. Oh, it's a kitty. Oh my. Oh my. Thank God. I'm not interested. Okay, we go back. Look, I have a kid and the cat in the body. Mm. Mm. My leg is snowing. Now it's time to swim the pool. I don't like getting wet. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, great. Now we have to talk. No! Okay. Okay. Let's spell. Okay, let's go down the slide. This is so boring. Oh yes. Okay, let's check if we don't go on here. Wow, look at us. Oh my God, we're under there. Hey, we're at a tower station. Okay, let's swing back. Swing back. Okay, this is the area. Um. Okay, let's now go to the hotel station. Can you ride this elevator? Now let's ride this elevator. No! Okay, let's go back to the pool. Now, as you guys know, this is so boring. Without any play with friends, it's so boring. No! Why? We're doing this. No! Okay. Now let's go down the slide. No! Why do you not let me go down the slide? Come on! Be in here. Come on. No! Why? 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 Okay. No, I don't want to dance. Oh, come on. No, I want to be in there. Okay. Why? 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 No! You probably got me! No! I want my day! Okay. Why? Oh, my God! Okay. Now next we need to go to a hotel room. Come on. No, why? Are you kidding me? Never mind. I love your super condo. Why? Why not? Why? Mommy, give me, why? Oh, yes. I have 5 stones. Oh, yes. Let's go into... What? No! No, no, no! I know I'm acting like crazy. No, this is gonna be a crazy video. Let's get inside. There, we're now getting to inside of the condo. Yeah. Okay. Let's go to sleep. What? No. Okay. Okay. Alright, well thank you everyone. I know this is so funny, but actually I gotta go. Cause we're 3 minutes till we run out of time. Well actually thank you for watching. I know this is so funny. Because I was saying, making my way downtown with me. We're going to the train station. Alright, so everyone, thank you though. Please subscribe and like. More First Keep 2 Master is coming soon. I really hope you guys liked the video and subscribe me. Goodbye.